And if you've tried it, you know how sweet. Hey guys, this is Valentina, your local Argentinian Spanish tutor. Welcome back to another video where I give you the best tips and tricks to perfect your Spanish. If you're new to the channel, hey there, welcome. I'm a tutor for Overcome the Barrier, a language learning company that offers you the amazing experience of learning Spanish by having conversations and personalized lessons with native Spanish speakers from all over Latin America like me. In this video, which I'm super excited about, we're gonna be talking about Spanish words that don't exist in the English language. So with no further ado, let's get right to the video. The reason I'm so excited about today's video is because languages are super fun, and I probably sound a little bit nerdy saying that, but it blows my mind how so many different words and concepts can be described with one word in a language, but for some reason can't be narrowed down in other languages. So, like I said, in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing some Spanish words and especially some daily life commonly used words that for some reason don't have a literal translation in English. Keep in mind that you may be able to think of some phrases or expressions to describe these words, but the whole point is that there is no exact translation for these words in English, or at least not yet. So, enough chatting and let's get right to it. Number 1, starting off strong with sobremesa. Within this word, you can probably identify two words. Sobre, which means over, above, or about, and mesa, which means table. However, sobremesa doesn't mean above the table, about the table, or anything like that. Sobremesa is what we call the conversation that takes place after the meal is over, whether that is at a restaurant or at home. It's a precious moment in Latin American culture, and it's about connecting and spending time with friends and family. In Argentina, for example, it can last several hours, especially in the holidays. Number 2, we have one of my favorite words ever, empalagar or empalagarse. Empalagarse is a very specific feeling, very difficult to put into words. It basically means to get kind of sick or nauseous consequence of eating something too sweet. I say it's tough to describe because it's not actually making you sick. It's more of a reflex from your palate. But I do have a way of showing you what it's like to empalagarse. Y para eso necesito algo que está en la heladera que vos me vas a pasar. Y una cucharita. Arriba de todo. Para que nadie me lo robe. Gracias. Tommy, para, hijo. In Argentina, we have one of the most delicious sweets in the world. And no, I'm not being objective. Dulce de leche, a sweet made with milk and sugar. Ask anyone, and if you've tried it, you know how sweet this is. I eat it probably every day, and I still get empalagada from this stuff. So, mortal, pero tremendo. It's one of those bittersweet things. Like, you know you don't have to do it again, but you want to do it again. You know what I mean? Number 3, we have anteayer and antenoche. These two words mean the day before yesterday and the night before the last, respectively. Number 4, aturdir or aturdirse. It's usually associated with loud noises or environments that stun you or overwhelm you to the point where you can't focus, or sometimes it can even cause physical pain. Number 5, merendar. Another word I completely adore, and I'm starting to see a pattern. I think I love every word that has something to do with food. La merienda is an extra meal that takes place usually between lunch and dinner around 5 or 6 p.m. when people come back from work and kids come back from school. This word could roughly translate to snack, but it's more specific. La merienda is usually on the sweeter side and is more similar to breakfast. And also, it's a meal itself, not a snack. I usually have dulce de leche on toast for my merienda. Number 6, consuegro, another very specific Spanish word. This is a term used to refer to the relationship between two pairs of parents-in-law. Let's say you're in a relationship. Your parents and your partner's parents are consuegros. Okay guys, and that's it for today's video. Of course, there are many more of these words, so let me know in the comment section if you'd like a part 2 of Spanish words that don't exist in the English language. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn your notifications on so you don't miss any of our content. And we'll see you there. Nos vemos. Mwah. Say bye.